New edition. Puppy the Jumping Spider. Phidippus regius. Blue Mountains. Puppy species is native to Jamaica. He's only 6 months old, so still has some growing to do, and his colors will become more vibrant. He was a little nervous after his travels and arrivals, so I was super careful to unwrap him slowly and transfer him very gently.
You're so tiny.
I can't wait to start bonding with him once he has settled in and training him for enrichment. Jumping spiders are very different to tarantulas and don't mind being handled, thrive on attention, and have very outgoing personalities. He came from Jumping Spiders UK, and I can't recommend them enough. They custom built the Lucky Wood just for him and added extras to it. They have been so supportive throughout the entire process of purchasing him, and have added me to their group to meet like-minded people and to admire the various species and discuss them with others. Really good aftercare and support.